with salt, we blend it and become like this. So we have chilies, small tomato, and basil, lime leaf, and lemon leaf. On my right side we have chicken, cut the chicken into 12 pieces, and this is oil. Okay, the first step, we cut the tomato into small pieces here, very carefully. Finish after using like this, but with our own hand, because it's clean, very clean. After that, we smash the lemon leaf into small pieces. No, just cut it. Just smash it. Okay, guys. After we chop the tomatoes into small pieces, the second step, we chop the chilies until it bring smells, very strong smells. Put there on the table, so we chop it. The smell is very strong, yeah. After it like this, we combine together and chili, and we ready for stir fry. Okay, guys, after we mix the chilies and the chili together, now we go for the stir fry. Like this, you can see. Put some oil in the pan. We off the fire. Not too big. We don't want to overcook this. And put the wait until the oil is very hot enough to cook this. Okay, I think this is hot enough. And we put them together. We put the lemon leaf and the basil all together. And tomato. After we rinse like this, don't let it overcook. Put on the chicken, all of the chicken. Okay, it's very tricky. chicken turn to the color of